Hello friends, welcome to Zack's pronunciation. Let's pronounce this car name. Porsche. 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 Porsche is a famous German luxury sports car brand known for high performance, speed, and iconic design. It's founded in 1931, headquartered in Stuttgart, Germany. Its parent company is Volkswagen Group. Porsche is known for high-performance sports cars, excellent handling and driving experience, luxury and speed combination, racing heritage. Porsche. 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 Porsche is special because of very fast acceleration and top speed, strong reputation in racing, unique and timeless design. Porsche. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation and check out other videos in the playlist for the pronunciation of different brand names.